From tiny watches and remote controls to smartphones, electric vehicles, and even entire power grids, batteries store energy and make portable electricity possible. Although they all perform the same basic function, not all batteries work the same way. Different battery types are designed for different purposes, balancing factors such as cost, lifespan, power output, safety, and rechargeability. Zinc-Carbon Battery. A zinc-carbon battery is one of the oldest and most widely used battery designs ever created. Developed in the 19th century, it became the standard battery for countless household devices. These batteries use a zinc container as the negative electrode and a carbon rod at the center. They are inexpensive to manufacture and work well in low-power devices such as clocks, flashlights, and remote controls. However, they have relatively limited energy capacity and are generally intended for single use. Despite being gradually replaced by more advanced technologies, zinc-carbon batteries remain an important part of battery history and are still used in some applications today. Alkaline Battery. An alkaline battery is one of the most common disposable batteries in the world. It improved upon the zinc-carbon design by using an alkaline electrolyte, which increases both energy capacity and shelf life. Alkaline batteries are available in familiar sizes such as AA, AAA, C, D, and 9-volt formats. They are widely used in toys, wireless devices, flashlights, and household electronics. Their long storage life and reliable performance have made them a popular choice for decades. Even as rechargeable alternatives become more common, alkaline batteries continue to serve as a convenient power source for millions of devices. Silver Oxide Battery. A silver oxide battery is a small button-shaped battery often found in watches, calculators, cameras, and medical instruments. It uses silver oxide as part of its chemical reaction, allowing it to provide a stable voltage throughout most of its life. This consistency is especially valuable in devices that require precise electrical performance. Although silver oxide batteries are more expensive, their reliability and compact size make them ideal for specialized electronics. Their widespread use in precision devices highlights the importance of stable and dependable power sources. Lead-acid battery. A lead-acid battery is one of the oldest rechargeable battery technologies still in widespread use. Invented in the 1850s, it remains an essential part of modern transportation and industry. Most gasoline-powered vehicles use lead-acid batteries to start their engines and power electrical systems. These batteries are relatively inexpensive and capable of delivering large amounts of current over short periods. Although they are heavy and less energy-dense, their proven reliability keeps them relevant. Lead-acid batteries are also widely used in backup power systems and industrial applications. Nickel-Cadmium Battery, often called a NiCd battery, is one of the most popular rechargeable battery types. It is widely used in portable electronics, power tools, and emergency equipment because of its durability and ability to handle repeated charging cycles. Nickel-cadmium batteries can operate effectively in harsh conditions and tolerate deep discharges better than many alternatives. However, environmental concerns related to cadmium and the development of more efficient technologies have reduced their popularity. Nickel metal hydride battery. A nickel metal hydride battery, commonly known as NiMH, was developed as an improvement over nickel-cadmium technology. It offers higher energy capacity while avoiding some of the environmental concerns associated with cadmium. NiMH batteries became popular in rechargeable AA and AAA formats, allowing consumers to replace disposable batteries with reusable alternatives. They were also widely adopted in early hybrid vehicles before lithium-ion technology became dominant. Their balance of performance, safety, and affordability helped make rechargeable batteries more accessible to everyday users. Lithium-ion battery. A lithium-ion battery is the most important rechargeable battery technology of the modern era. Introduced in the 1990s, it transformed portable electronics and later became the foundation of the electric vehicle industry. Lithium-ion batteries provide high energy density, relatively low weight, and the ability to withstand hundreds or even thousands of charging cycles. Smartphones, laptops, tablets, drones, and many electric vehicles rely on this technology. Continued improvements in lithium-ion batteries have played a major role in the growth of renewable energy and electric transportation around the world. Lithium polymer battery. A lithium polymer battery is a variation of lithium-ion technology that uses a polymer-based electrolyte. This design allows manufacturers to create batteries in a wider range of shapes and sizes. Lithium polymer batteries are often found in smartphones, tablets, wearable devices, and drones where compact design is important. They can be made thinner and lighter than traditional lithium-ion cells while still delivering strong performance. Lithium iron phosphate battery. A lithium iron phosphate battery is a specific type of lithium battery known for its safety and long lifespan. Although it generally stores less energy per kilogram than some other lithium chemistries, it offers excellent thermal stability and durability. These characteristics make it particularly attractive for electric vehicles, solar energy storage systems, and industrial applications. Nickel-Manganese Cobalt Battery. A nickel-manganese cobalt battery, commonly called an NMC battery, is one of the most widely used lithium-ion chemistries in electric vehicles. By combining nickel, manganese, and cobalt, engineers can achieve a balance between energy density, lifespan, and power output. This versatility has made NMC batteries a preferred choice for many automakers. They help provide the long driving ranges that consumers expect while maintaining reasonable durability. As electric vehicles become more common, NMC batteries continue to play a major role in transportation electrification. Solid-state battery. Unlike conventional batteries that use liquid electrolytes, solid-state batteries use solid materials to transport ions. This approach has the potential to improve safety, increase energy density, and reduce charging times. Researchers and manufacturers around the world are investing heavily in solid-state technology because it could significantly improve electric vehicles and portable electronics. Solid-state batteries are widely viewed as a possible next step in the evolution of energy storage.